See, we were very much aware about the Chancellor of Germany coming to Bangalore. In fact, we were all ready with a lot of exchange programs and what has to be done in higher education and other areas. But we were waiting for the schedule from them where they would give time for the state government. But in the last minute, I think we got to know about the program that the Prime Minister is meeting them in Mumbai on the 12th and 13th morning. It was a very tight program. So it was hardly like they were landing at about 10:20 and going back at 3:45. So it was two programs were lined up, one with Bosch and the other program was there. So in fact, myself, Priyank Karge and even in fact Shan Prakash, we were alerted to be ready to probably if they get to give us some time, we would like to present ourselves with our departments, various departments and various issues. But since the embassy themselves had decided the program, so we were not able to be part of that discussion or anything which we thought that there could be. But I don't think, I really pity with the opposition party leader Ashok, R. Ashok. See, it is not that we decide the program, it is the embassy which decides the program, and if at all they write to us, because if it was a letter from them asking us, okay, the Chancellor would like to meet the government heads and would like to have a discussion, then probably if at all we are not being part of that, then they could have considered. But unfortunately, that never happened. In fact, the Chief Secretary asked us like whether we can write to the embassy, German embassy, that okay, can we have a meeting? But it was very late because we got the itinerary, we got the program very late, and it couldn't happen. So we were all prepared, and I don't think there's any neglect as far as the government is concerned. And Ashok, I think. I think he lacks a lot of knowledge about how the foreign visits happen, how the heads of the other countries' programs are scheduled, and how things happen. So I really pity.